It's that time already, MOT time. I'm really nervous. First drive with this motor in, first drive with the new body on, first drive with the new slightly revised under bonnet layout. So there'll be some learnings, certainly. See how I get on. Gear would be a good start. I could do everything in second gear and just use the switch for forward and reverse. Let's put that camera on as well. But I quite like driving it like a manual. Brakes seem okay. Goes well. Bit of a rattle from somewhere. But so far, pretty smooth. Quiet. I can hear a brake rotor rubbing. I think that's what it is. Don't know if one of the brakes is sticking on slightly. Start off in second. Plenty of power for that. I say I like driving it like a manual. I might largely just drive it in second. It's like a semi-automatic or semi-manual. Yeah, it's definitely a whir from the coupler. I suspect because I trimmed down the protrusion from the gearbox, which is what was putting pressure on the old motor. There's now a little bit more room for the coupler to move around. Plenty of power. I'm looking forward to doing some pulls in this. Long-time watchers of the channel will know I did some 0 to 60 times with the old motor. Not tried it with this motor. Be interesting to see the comparison, because the old ones were not good. It was very slow. And if we get a second battery pack in, turn-based camera panning. If we get a second battery pack in, we can go a bit further and find some country roads to do some clearer 0 to 60 runs on. It was a bit tricky on the motorway. Could do some late night stuff, I suppose. Hoping all the lights are working and everything. I mean, they were. Oh, hill start in second. No problem at all. Loads of power. Into third. 30 miles an hour. All good so far. I mean, oh, hang on. Okay, that's going to be a fail. we've got an airbag light on. Hadn't noticed that before. I suspect it's because I've had the seat out. Or maybe there's something come unplugged. Oh hello, you're all the way over there. Yeah, airbag light on, which is going to be a fail. Oh well, we knew this was going to fail. It was going to be a to-do list. It's just nice to be out in it, to be honest. Nearly at the garage now. See what they say. Ah, steering feels nice. And it really isn't that noisy once you start moving. This is the body kit.
The fact you convert one is about to that raining.
It's not raining. No rain, no roof. Where do you want me? Getting up a curb like that would have been a challenge with the old motor. No problem with this one at all. It's got so much more torque. It's a massive difference. Notionally the same power, notionally the same kilowatts. It ain't the same. But it is on paper, so it is for insurance purposes. Right, hood up. Let's go and have a chat, and they can take the piss out of me some more. And then we'll see what they say. But it's going to be a few hours. So, out of my hands now. On my way home, we'll leave it with the crew at the garage for a while. Had a little chat, explained some of the car's idiosyncrasies, but they already know about those. They've MOT'd it before. They're a good bunch. So yeah, I shall get a call later to come and pick it up, along with a list of things that I need to fix. And yeah, I'll probably end this video here. Bit of a cliffhanger. Dum dum duh. What's going to happen? Will it pass? Will it fail? It's going to fail. But the question is on how much stuff. How easy is it going to be to fix? Can I get it back in for a retest this week? We shall see. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.